Strength in the wild isn't measured by size or by speed. It's measured by pressure. The invisible force that decides who survives and who becomes prey. This is the secret hierarchy of bite force, measured in pounds per square inch, PSI. Let's begin with ourselves. The average human bite ranges from 120 to 106 PSI.
Strong enough to chew, but hopeless in the wild. Weakness can mean death. Now, step into the savannah. The African lion, the king of the forest. Its jaws, designed to suffocate.
600 to 650 PSI. A bite that doesn't just kill, it crushes.
To shatter bone, to enforce nature's rule.
Among the big cats, strength takes different forms. The Bengal tiger. Bite force 1050 PSI. Speed and power in perfect balance.
The Jaguar. Its bite a skull-crushing signature.
Bite force of 1500 PSI. Unique in the animal kingdom.
1500. Brutality has many masters. The spotted hyena.
The ultimate bone crusher. With bite of over 1100 PSI. And the grizzly bear, with bite of 1200 PSI. One bite, and even the strongest skull can break in an instant. And sometimes, the deadliest bite comes from the most unexpected creature. The hippopus. Its jaw can crush with 1,800 pounds per square inch. It's not a hunter, yet in defense, it is unstoppable.
In Africa, it commands respect and fear.
The saltwater crocodile delivers a staggering 3,700 PSI. The strongest bite ever measured in any living animal.
With a force capable of crushing cars, it stands as a living weapon, perfected by time. From the ancient depths, a titan emerges. Power that can crush steel.
And yet scientists believe some extinct giants may have bitten even harder. Stronger than anything alive today.
But that is a story lost to time. A force we can only imagine.